It's cloudy, it is stormy. Does that mean an Avalanche is coming? We are down here for Stars versus Avs Game 3. Let's get inside, let's go. Let's not get hit by a bus. Thank you. Let's not get hit by a bus today. Vigil. Vigil, V-I-G-I-L. Thank you. Okay.
That looks fancy, so I won't take it off.
Appreciate it. Try this credential on its own way. I'm hungry though. Let's eat. I always walk to the wrong place. So let's go get lunch or dinner. All right, so we got beef, potato, cauliflower, and a salad. Beef, delicious.
That was good.
Cauliflower. The cauliflower is really good too. Really good. Will told me I had to get the dessert, and I think he's gonna be right on this one. It looks delicious. Just told the girl that she smelled really good, and she like blew me off completely. So I was like, stick on that part. Just walked in behind me. It was like, hey there, Gabe, don't mind me. Just talking to myself in a camera. Sick. Schnickums! How are you? Wait, I think I have those pants. Oh my gosh. Really? 7:30 puck drop on Monday. We will take that.
I'm not gonna dance.
It's crazy though because it literally will move with me. Like, how bizarre.
That's weird.
I know. Have to try it for me.
It's weird, but it's still like one more verse.
Two very central teams meet deep in the heart of Texas, and it appears that the West is about to get more life.
Down 1-0. Oh, there goes some popcorn.
I'm gonna get another water. You need anything?
I'm okay, thank you though.
Yep.
Appreciate you. Third period, let's go! Let's not pull Georgia. Oh my gosh. So we just dropped our bag, and now we are going to quickly run and hope they score. Let's go. And they just got an empty net goal, so that's over. Fortunate.
off and move into the next one?
No.
The most frustrating part of what you saw tonight is
Nothing I can tell. I would say the coaches and the players would be able to answer better. They just played smart, and third period locked us up pretty good.
Stories earlier in the game, right? Like I felt like we carried some long stretches in the game for the first 40 minutes, and like my one takeaway would be we got to make it a little bit tougher on Ottinger. You know, getting traffic there. We were there at times. Tough to track down some of those rebounds. Shots were blocked, but we were skating, competing.
It was just a weird game though, because it really feels like they should have won.
Totally.
Clean ice.
Are we both in frame, do you think?
We're gonna see. In real life, you know?
Yeah, but does it not work with you on that one?
I'm like, I have to take my shoes off again.
Oh, I'm
Which
sorry.
I guess I can do that. Don't mind my fuzzy socks. Avalanche fall in Game 3, 4-1 to the Dallas Stars.
Their fewest goals of the postseason. The Avalanche were averaging 5 goals per game in their first 7 games. It scored 35 total. 1 goal tonight. Got to be honest, it's kind of a stunning result here from Ball Arena.
Had locker room, Nathan McKinnon being like, no, when asked out certain questions, and the confidence in his team and yada, yada, yada. Just overall, bad night. Like they should have won. Hopefully they can tie the series up on Monday night. Fingers crossed. Buckle up, everyone. Here we go.